Happy Teachers Day, professors and my dear students.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Beta, everyone switch on your video, please.
Thank you. Before we start, I want to share something with you. This is the day which inspire and motivate you to achieve your goal of life. After your school and college, some of you become doctor, engineer, civil servant, businessman, but some of you become teacher also. And in today's world, profession due to the advancement of technology and changing lifestyle. And I wish you for a happy and prosperous life, and may God fulfill your wishes. Thank you. Now I invite Harshupal for the speech of Teacher Day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Harshupal.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to say a few thoughts about Teachers' Day celebration with everyone. Millions of students learn to read every single day because of a teacher. There is a math teacher who has room full of kids, started out saying that they are just not good in maths, but now they are searching out ways to solve complex problems and later become a problem solver because of a teacher. There is a science teacher who inspires to chase after their questions. One day, students become so excited about their experiments. Finally, they could become scientists one day because of a teacher. There is a PE teacher who motivates students to be healthy and fit. There is a foreign teacher who inspires students to communicate globally. There is a librarian teacher who inspires students to fall in love with reading, to become lifelong learner because of a teacher. With these words, I would like to give a big thanks to all of our teachers who have been working so hard to make us the best person in the world. Lastly, I would like to end up my speech by saying by wishing you heartiest wishes of Teachers' Day. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harshupal, for your wonderful speech. Yes, now Sania, can you share your words with us?
Yes,
Sania Chhabra.
yes, sir. So may I start? So may I start?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Sania, on your video.
So may I start?
Yes, beta, but please switch on your video first. You can start now.
Sir, I can't turn on my video because there's some technical issues.
Okay, you can
Hello,
start now.
everybody.
Okay, you can start now.
Hello, everybody. This is Sania of class 8 going to present some lines on our dear teachers. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. Teachers are the backbone of our society. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the society and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Shania, for your wonderful words. Okay, next is Supriya. Say you and
Yes,
audio
sir.
both.
Can I start?
Please, Supriya.
Yes, sir. Can I start?
Yes, beta, yes, you can.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Good morning to all my teachers. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the occasion of Teachers' Day. I would firstly like to thank to my all the teachers to being our guide force in the lockdown. You all not only taught us but also motivated us from many things. You are the best teachers for you make us proud. We thank you that you are our teachers. Now I want to tell about my teacher is my Sita ma'am, who taught me all the things to get success in the life. Then about my 8th class teacher. Firstly for Rajpal sir. He is a very nice teacher. He is the best teacher, I must say, of science. When I was in 5th, my sister was say that Rajpal sir is the best teacher. You must be taught by him only in 7th and 8th. Next about Rashmi ma'am, she is also a best teacher of biology. I always understood her all the topics, and of Poonam ma'am also. Next, Jyoti ma'am. She is a very helpful teacher. She always make us smile in her class. She always study with us, taught us with a joy. Next, Kiran ma'am. She is also a good teacher. She always taught us the main things of Hindi and help us to learn all the things. Next, Suman ma'am. She always make us understand all the things about maths and help us to solve our query. Next, GK, Deepak sir. He always taught us the main things about GK and also taught us the important things that we could learn about our future for our future. Next, reasoning. He always used to taught us all the things with which we can qualified in our upper classes like 10th. Next, Sanskrit ma'am, she always make us understandable Sanskrit, which we learn from 6 only. And in the last, I would like to say Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and thank you.
Thank you, Kiran, for your words with all the teachers. Okay, Tejal, on your video and audio, and express your words. Tejal, are you there? Yes, Vaishnavi by today. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, start with your poem.
So may I start?
Yes,
Your video and audio both. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, favorite teacher, you for acting like my friend, for taking care of me and lessons to comprehend. So is my voice clear?
yes, beta, yes.
Yes, yes, sir. You can continue.
Sir, may I start from starting?
Yes, yes, if you want, yes, no problem.
Thank you, favorite teacher, for acting like a friend and taking time to show me lessons hard to comprehend. Thank you for your caring and lots of other stuff. For all the things you gave me, I can't thank you enough. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Yes, if any other student want to share your words or something else, you're most welcome.
Can I? So can
Yes,
I?
Rita.
Yes, yes, Ria, yes.
Yes, Riya.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Rita.
You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide. All molded in one person, you will always be grateful for us, your support. Happy Teachers Day. You guide us, you support us, you inspire us, you teach us. Today is the day to thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, Rita. Yes, anybody? Yes, anybody else want to speak or express a word? दीपक सर मेरा बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है
Yes, sir.
आप बच्चों को बोले अगर कोई शेयर करना चाहते हैं कोई भी अपने थॉट्स में वो शेयर कर सकते हैं
Right, sir, right. Beta, if any one of you want to share your views on Teachers Day, you are most welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to share a poem on Teachers' Day. I came into your class to learn and to grow, but what has touched me most is the love you have shown. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, beta. Yes, beta, anyone, any of you want to share something? You're most welcome.
Sir, can I give the full form of teachers?
Yes, yes, why not?
Sir, T for tender, E for emphatic, A for admirable, C for caring, H for honest, E for encouraging, R for respectable. Happy Teachers Day 20.
Thank you, beta. Okay. Beta, if anyone want to share something, you are welcome. Divanshu, Shanya, Harsh.
Sir.
बस अगर सभी बच्चों का हो जाए तो आप कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं
Right, right.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, Rakshita. Yes, beta.
I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Wishing you a Teacher's Day that's full of joyous moments. Thank you.
Thank you, beta.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, beta. First, switch on your videos.
Sir, actually I am on PC and there is no option of video.
Okay, beta. Okay, yes. You're most welcome.
You have always been an excellent educator who knew exactly how to illuminate a soul with its own light. Happiest Teacher's Day to my favorite teacher. Teacher, you shaped me to become the person I am today. I am forever grateful for everything you have for me. Happiest Teacher's Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Yes, beta. If anyone want to share something, you're welcome.
सर
Yes.
सर मुझे बोलना है
Yes, please. बोलिए बेटा.
ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का बंधन है उनके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप बंद हो जाएं सब दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप हैप्पी टीचर्स डे
Thank you, बेटा.
Thank you, beta. People, my voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
Sir, बार-बार कर देना.
Sir, you are not audible. Sir, can you hear me? Yes, sir. सर आपकी
My voice is coming.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है, बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है. बेटा अगर कोई और कुछ बोलना चाहता है, share any views, any thoughts, you are most welcome. Yes, sir.
can I share a thought?
Yes, beta. Please.
Being one is the highest privilege. Having one is the best blessing. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Okay, beta. If you want to share something, you can. Otherwise, we will end this program now. If you want to share something, you can. Now we are going to wrap up this program.
Okay, sir.
Can I say something?
Yes, thank you, everyone.
Yes, beta.
Very good.
Avika.
A good teacher
Yes, sir. Yes, of course.
it consumes itself to light the way for others' teacher. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, beta. I'm very proud to be a part of this special occasion that is Teachers Day. Thank you very much, everyone, for your thoughts, for your views. Now we are going to end this program. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you very much.
It's 8 o'clock.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.